Facilities often choose wood floors for the warmth, sophistication, and richness they convey. Give those wood flooring surfaces the look they deserve with New Look Wood Floor Cleaner and Conditioner. The pH-neutral formula cleans and conditions wood floors to restore their natural beauty and luster. Using specially selected, naturally derived ingredients, New Look gently removes soil from wood floors and surfaces with an exceptional fresh fragrance that deodorizes as it cleans. New Look is more than just a floor cleaner. Use it to clean your wood paneling and furniture, along with your plastic, formica, laminated, and painted surfaces.